Welcome to Sociology Simplified, an initiative by IAS Gurukul. Today, we explore George Herbert Mead and his concept of self and identity. Mead belonged to the Symbolic Interactionist school. He argued that the self is not born naturally, but develops through social interaction. According to Mead, the self has two parts: I, the spontaneous, creative, impulsive side of the self; me, the socialized side, shaped by norms, values, and expectations. Mead explained that children develop the self through three stages: preparatory stage, imitation, without understanding roles; play stage, children play roles like doctor or teacher, learning perspective taking; game stage, they understand multiple roles and rules, developing the idea of the generalized other, society's expectations. Thus, identity is not fixed. It evolves as individuals interact, take roles, and internalize social norms. Critics say Mead underplayed biological and structural factors, but his theory highlights the microprocesses of identity formation. For UPSC, remember, the self develops socially, not biologically. I versus me. Stages of self: preparatory, play, game; generalized other as society's influence. Quick recap: self equals product of interaction. I equals creative self. Me equals socialized self. Stages: preparatory, play, game, generalized other. Mead shows us that who we are is deeply shaped by how others see us and how we respond. Next in the series, we will explore Indian thinkers, starting with M.N. Srinivas and his concept of Sanskritization. Follow Sociology Simplified by IAS Gurukul for more UPSC sociology insights. Happy learning.